Well, mostly cloudy and partly cloudy are terms that we often hear in our weather forecast. But do you know the three ingredients it takes to form those clouds and how to tell a difference between the types of clouds? Our Candace Monticelli joins us live from home to teach us all about it. Good morning.
Good morning. So last week we learned a little bit about clouds and how they start off as water vapor. It rises through the atmosphere, condenses, and starts to form that cloud. Well, today we want to make a cloud and then become a cloud spotter right in our own backyard. So for today's experiment, you just need three things, a couple things. So first, you want a 2-liter clear plastic bottle, warm water that you can put in the bottom of the bottle, and a box of matches. This is where you need mom and dad's assistance with the step that involves matches. So we'll get to that in just a bit. But first, you want to put that warm water just a little bit in the bottom of our clear plastic bottle. Now that warm water, it's starting to evaporate and put water vapor inside the bottle. Remember, that's our first ingredient that we need for the cloud. Now what I want you to do is squeeze this bottle. Notice nothing's happening right now, but this is where we can learn that by squeezing the bottle, that's representing the warming in the atmosphere, and releasing it, letting it go, represents the cooling in the atmosphere. That's a tip we're going to need later on in this experiment. So now comes the part where we need mom and dad's help. We need the matches. And this part you want to do kind of fast. So unscrew the top of your bottle, and then you want to light the match and drop it in the bottle. So again, do this part fast and recap it so that you were adding all that smoke, dust, any particles that you can inside the bottle. And that's typical dust and particles that you would find in the atmosphere. And that's what that water vapor is going to attach onto and start to make small cloud droplets. So now when you'll go to squeeze the bottle, this is when you'll form the cloud. So as you squeeze it, the cloud disappears. When you release it, the cloud appears. So again, remember the warming and the cooling of the atmosphere is what you'll see here. And this is also the change in pressure, the drop in air pressure that's needed for those clouds to form. So you can notice that cloud appearing when you release the bottle. So very cool to make a cloud right in a bottle in your home. And now you can go in the backyard and become a cloud spotter. So there's a link for this cloud spotter wheel from the National Weather Service right on fox17online.com. You want to cut it out and fasten it together. And then when you go in the backyard, you can spin this and identify what clouds you are seeing and learn a little bit about them and know if they're high, medium, or low clouds. So really cool to become your own personal cloud spotter right in your own backyard.